This short video shows the use of filters across the tabs of the dashboard. To deepen the understanding of student subpopulations, click on the drop-down menus of any of the filters offered in each tab. For example, let's look at the filters in the Student Enrollment tab. The filter selected is the age group 25 to 34. If you hover over the Black African American ethnicity in the pie chart, you will get that 4,789 Black African American students aged 25 to 34 were enrolled across the 5 years, and that this unduplicated count represents 15.55% of the total population of students aged 25 to 34 across the 5 years, which is 30,803 unduplicated students from 2018-19 to 2022-23.